Hey there, kids! It's me, Mr. Banana, your favorite yellow bendy friend. I'm here to peel back some fun and share some fruity laughs with you. So, grab your giggles and let's go bananas together. Did you know bananas are just like superheroes? That's right. I come with my very own built-in yellow cape. And what's my superpower, you ask? I'm potassium powered. That means I help keep you strong, just like a real superhero. I bet you didn't know you had a hero sitting on your fruit plate, huh? Speaking of heroes, have you ever wondered what bananas dream about? Well, let me tell you, it's not monkeys. We're way too busy avoiding them in real life to dream about them. No, we dream of big things, like flying through the sky in a banana rocket or becoming the star of a smoothie parade. Imagine me waving to a crowd while being blended into deliciousness. Talk about fruity fame. Here's a question for you. Why don't bananas ever get lonely? Because we hang out in bunches, of course. Get it? Bunches? And we're pretty good at sticking together, except for that one banana who always ripens faster than the rest of us. You know the one? There's always a show-off in a bunch. But let's talk serious banana business for a moment. Have you ever tried to open a banana from the bottom? Monkeys do it that way because it's super smart and easier. They've been doing it for years. Meanwhile, humans are up here squishing the tops and complaining. Life tip, be more like a monkey when it comes to bananas. Here's a fun fact to tickle your fruity brains. Bananas are technically berries. Yep, I'm a berry, and strawberries aren't. Crazy, right? Turns out, the fruit world has a few secrets up its sleeves. Or should I say, peels. Well, kids, that's all the fruity fun for now. Remember, next time you see a banana, give us a little wave. You never know, we might just wave back. Stay fruity, stay awesome, and keep smiling. Bye-bye, my little artists.